If you have multiple displays and you want to change which one is the primary display, you can do so pretty easily in Windows 11. Just click on the Start button, type Settings, and click on Settings in the search results. When the window opens, click on System in the left column. And to the right, click on Display. You should see your multiple displays near the top of this window, each with a number. If you need help identifying which is which, just click Identify. And you'll see a number appear on each display so you know which is which. Below this, click on Multiple Displays. And you'll see a checkbox next to Make this my main display. At the top, if I click on Display 2, you can see that it's currently my main display. Select the display that you want to make the primary, and then check the box next to Make this my main display. That's all there is to it. If you have any questions, you can always visit the Acer community or our Acer support site, and don't forget to subscribe.